Choosing the right type of videos that you're going to post on your YouTube channel is one of the most important choices you're going to make as a YouTuber. We have seen trends coming and leaving in 2024, but there are three main points and three main video directions that we will see in 2025, and I think they are here to stay forever. The first one that I really wanted to talk about is the long-form high-quality content. Basically, videos that you see on TV. Those types of videos will definitely stay on YouTube for a while because YouTube has been pushing out TV. They want to optimize the YouTube app to work as a TV, to gather the families and stuff to sit in the sofa and watch YouTube. They know for a fact that when they are used to watching Netflix on a TV, they will continue on and watch the next episode and the next episode. And if they can replicate that sort of feeling of watching TV and TV shows and stuff like that, they will promote your videos if you have a highly produced video, because it's most likely a longer video, so they can insert even more ads or maybe even get more YouTube Premium subscriptions. But I bet you're thinking, but Esbjørn, I am not able to produce that type of videos. And I know, don't you worry, I'm just telling you guys that YouTube are pushing for TV, so if you're able to optimize your quality just a tiny bit to make sure that it looks good on a TV, that's good. Over to the second one. This one is more for a general type of YouTuber. So if you are just making your videos and you're able to pivot your videos in this type of direction, this one is for you. These types of videos have the same type of premise as the first one, just the quality is a bit lower and you are able to do it in 1 to 2 weeks. If you just spend a bit more time planning out your videos and filming and editing, you can reach this sort of higher quality. For example, I'm going to buy every single fast food in my area. I'm gonna buy 100 of this one specific toy, for example. The end goal of your video is to match your thumbnail as closely as possible, but you will produce more fun videos, you will be more creative, you can have your friends help you out with videos, and you can start out small. You don't have to do every single fast food in your area or make the biggest swimming pool, but you can focus more on make your videos like pop and go a bit viral. Try to find that viral success. You will spend more time on each step, but it's not something that you spend too much time on. And the third and the final one, making vlogs. Vlogs are a good way for your audience to get closer to you, to get to know you better. If you're able to have some sort of fun activity that you can show them, maybe you have a unique project that you're working on. So vlogs is a good way to either have a bit of a break on your regular content or a good way for you to be creative. I think it's a cool idea to test out once in a while. People tend to love vlogs a lot. Look at Sam Sulek, for example. He's just going to the gym, he's training, he's doing his stuff, but his vlogs feel so personal. Casey Neistat's vlog are a bit more crazy. I mean, a few years back I saw Casey Neistat make an entire video in the shower talking about the soap. So if you're able to make some creative angles and stuff like that, maybe it will work for you. But there is one more thing to keep in mind. No matter what type of videos you're making, you have to plan your videos. Watch this video up next to learn more about how I plan my videos, and remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjørn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.